The beautiful thing about this is you don't have to be a programmer. You don't have to know anything about code. This particular site will just walk you through the steps it needs. It'll tell you what it needs to create the app for you. And today we're talking about how you can make $2,000 a month in recurring revenue by having your own AI-powered app. We're talking about no-code apps here. I want to share my screen and show you all about this. James knows all about this as well. But this is a tool called uai.AI, where you can launch powerful AI apps, learn how to do it in 15 minutes, no coding required. You don't have to be a programmer, and you can generate monthly revenue. So we're going to have a link to this in the description box below, but basically you can make money with your AIs. So you create an AI, create a chatbot, you create any kind of text-based AI, and you can charge people for using it as a monthly subscription. You set the amount, and then once users have exhausted their free trial of your AI, they'll be prompted to pay to continue. Now, this is just making this so easy, right, James? So incredibly easy.
I mean, I've been a fan of no code for a long time, and no code's getting easier and easier. But there's so many different ways you can do this. Number one, a lot of people are not coders, or to hire a developer can be very expensive. So when you can create an app, when you can create a tool, especially with AI, with no code, that's awesome. And then the free to paid model is great. So you get someone on for free, they like your AI, and then after a certain trial, you're charging them for that. Maybe it's $10 a month, maybe it's $20 a month. You get enough people that start enjoying it. People are willing to pay a lot of money for this stuff, especially when it's customized.
Yeah, I want to show really quick some of the different tools that have been made already by people. This is kind of like the marketplace. These are featured AIs, and there's also community AIs. But here's some examples. Blog Genie AI, generate articles in any unique style, even your own style. Turn any blog post into a thread for Twitter. YouTube Video Namer, create YouTube video names, titles. Multiple weeks of content ideas in 5 minutes or less. So imagine you can use this. Notice some people are offering it for free. You can use this as a lead generator, right? You can use this as a lead magnet. So you could say, hey, sign up for my newsletter and get this free AI tool that's going to write blog articles for you. Or sign up for my email list and we'll give you this AI for free, right? So that's one way you can do it. But you can also, if you already have a big audience, you can also charge for it. Now, these people are charging $2 a month, $1 a month, whatever. Maybe they're just getting started with it or whatnot. But there's so many different AI tools you can create. Here's movie and TV recommender, okay? Get recommendations for movies and TV without spending hours searching through hundreds of Netflix titles. Provide your tastes and let the AI do the rest.
And Dave, this might sound like, like it's so difficult, like movie and TV recommender or anime recommender. It seems kind of like this big thing. It's not. So when you go in the tools, it's very plug and play, and you're basically creating like a chat bot, but you're using the power of AI. It's much simpler than you may think, but the value is there. And This is just starting out. And a lot of these people, they have 500 users, they have a couple hundred users. I mean, it's very early on in the stages, but as you go on and you share these things, put it in a Facebook group, put it in something where people can really enjoy it for free. Maybe they start to like your free stuff. You then have free to pay. There's different models here. But the point is that you could go on Fiverr and say, I can make a chat bot for you. They pay you $1,000, but you're going to a site like this and creating it for basically nothing. So there's a lot of ways you can monetize this.
Look at this one here. I think this one's very interesting. Personalized kids bedtime story. Generates personalized bedtime stories for kids using their names, ages, and other things that matter to them. Now, check this out.
That's huge.
Yeah, not only can you make your own AI that does this, but think about this. You could sell a book that's personalized to a kid's personality, their name, their age, what they like. You could have somebody just fill in a Google Doc with, here's all the information about my kid. You could ask them questions and then put that into this AI and create their own book, personalized book, right? Or personalized story or personalized video, whatever it is. But there's money there. I can tell you.
You could do that, Dave. Like you go on, you start your cell phone and it's using this app and it knows your child's name is Sarah. So you just push it. And what kind of story do you want tonight, Sarah? Rather than the parents getting frustrated, maybe not, but maybe they're just tired and they don't want to read a book tonight. So Sarah, what kind of story do you want? I want a story that I'm a pirate. Okay, Sarah, pirate. And then boom, here's a little 10-minute story. Sarah was a pirate and this, and that. She's loving it. And you're just sitting back. This is a relatively recent site. Just look at that. They've got 68 users paying $5 a month. That's $340 a month. That's not a lot. But again, hey, it's $340 a month, and you can make these apps in like 5-10 minutes. So you start to think about other things. Start to look at things like Alexa skills. Look at all the Alexa skills that are out there where it plays sounds, or look at all those different skills or apps that are out there for iPhones. And then how could you use this with a tool like that? And so basically you can take something that's proven, like look at the app on iPhone and Android called Calm. That's $1 billion app. And basically all they're doing is playing like some calming music and blah, blah, blah. You could do something like this, but now it's personalized. So maybe it's like, this is a great idea. You have a personalized meditation app, Dave. And it's like, hey, Dave, calm down. Think about skateboards. Okay. Like, you know what I mean? Like stuff that I know that you like. You could, we're joking, but you could do that. You could make a personalized. That's where AI is all about. It's about personalization. How can we make the perfect AI for Dave? How can we make the perfect AI for James? Well, that tool right there could be something that allows you to do that, allow to give someone else that personalization. So you're giving them that value. The bedtime story is a perfect example, and you absolutely can monetize that.
The beautiful thing about this is you don't have to be a programmer. You don't have to know anything about code. This particular site will just walk you through the steps it needs. It'll tell you what it needs to create the app for you. So that's the amazing part to me. James and I, we should probably be looking at this ourselves for creating apps for our channel, creating apps for our subscribers, that kind of thing. There's huge opportunity in apps like this. So be sure to take a look at this. We're going to have a link to the site down below. Thank you for joining us here on the channel. And we want to recommend that you sign up for our free AI newsletter. The free AI newsletter goes much more in depth into all the things that we're doing in the world of AI, all different kinds of ways to make money with AI, strategies, tools, resources, all that kind of stuff. So be sure to sign up for the free newsletter in the link in the description down below. That's it for today. Thanks for joining us on Making Money with AI.